A big room is constructed so that the ceiling is a dome that is a semi-elliptical in shape. If a person stands at one focus and speaks, the sound that is made bounces off the ceiling and gets reflected to the other focus. Thus, if two people stand at the foci, ignoring their heights, they will be able to hear each other. So, by the way, one of the properties of ellipses that is used in engineering today is this one. Sa to ang mga dome or mga big rooms because from one point of the focus to the other point of the focus, if someone speak here, actually madunggan siya sa other nga part of the focus regardless kung pila na siya ang iyahang ka on mubanda na siya on the ceiling padulong sa another point of the foci. So bisa pag mag-whisper lang sila, madunggan yapon so kanso kung manglibak-libak sila diri, madunggan sa another point of the focus. So that's one of the properties of the ellipse that is being used in application in engineering. So, if the room is 34-meter long and 8-meter high, how far from the center should each of two people stand if they would like to whisper back and forth and hear each other? So this is the cross section of our atong big room or our dome. So this is in semi-elliptical in form. So according to the given, 34-meter long siya. So ang ato center is at 0, 0. So this is from here to the other point of our ellipse, that's a 34-meter long. And also from the center padulong sa co-vertex nato. This is vertex vertex 1 and vertex 2. This is co-vertex. So from center to co-vertex, that's 8 meter. Okay, so we will identify kung asa dapat mag-stand ang mga tao if two people stand on the foci so that they will hear each other. Bisag nag-whisper lang sila back and forth. So we will determine the focus. So from the center to the focus 1 and center to the focus 2. So remember, from vertex 1 to vertex 2, that's equal to 2a. Since 34 man ang iyang width, so 34 is equal to 2a. So our a is equal to 17. 34 divided 2, that's 17. While the b, from the center to the co-vertex, that's 8. So b is equal to 8. Therefore, since our ellipse is horizontal, we will use our standard equation na ang iyang denominator nga a squared will be sa x nga part ibutang. So x squared over a squared, that's 17 squared, plus y squared over b squared, that's 8 squared, is equal to 1. After that, we will determine the c. So ang c na to is wala pa nato nakuha. Ang a squared is ang a is 17, so 17 squared minus ang b is 8, so 8 squared. So c squared is equal to 17 squared minus 8 squared. So c squared is equal to 17 times 17, that's 289, minus 8 times 8 is 64, so 289 minus 64 is 225. Extract both sides. So c na lang mabilin, and then the square root of 225 is 15. Therefore, from the center, dapat 15 units away from the center sila mag-stand. Both sides. So therefore, two people should stand 50 meters away from the center in order to enjoy whispering back and forth and hear each other.